Hi, I'm Matt Kreisenbeck, the Community Outreach Coordinator for District 3 of the Idaho Transportation Department.
And I'm Stiles Salick, Resident Engineer.
Welcome to another I-84 Corridor Monthly Update. We are standing on I-84 in Caldwell, where crews are making progress between the Centennial Way and Franklin Road interchanges. We will take a closer look at that work in just a minute. But first, we're going to start in Nampa with the Karcher Interchange project. Stiles. Construction at the Karcher Interchange is getting close to the finish line. What can drivers expect next?
Crews are nearly done. The main work left is final paving and striping on Karcher Road in late spring.
And that work will happen from the I-84 Interchange Bridge all the way down to Caldwell Boulevard, right?
That's right. Keep in mind that this work is weather dependent, so the schedule may change. We will be sure to send out construction updates before that work happens so drivers know what to expect.
Now let's move over to I-84 between the Centennial Way and Franklin Road interchanges in Caldwell. A lot happened in April out on the interstate. Stiles, what were crews focused on?
In April, crews were working on I-84 between Centennial Way and 10th Avenue. Most of that work was in the center of the interstate, where crews finished the median wall and placed concrete pavement and barriers.
What about work on the interchange ramps? I know drivers have seen closures at 10th.
That's right, Matt. Crews placed curbs for the 10th Avenue westbound loop on-ramp. They also closed the 10th Avenue eastbound on and off ramps.
And those closures are in place to give crews the space they need to rebuild those ramps, correct?
Exactly. Crews are removing old pavement, installing storm drains, and putting electrical underground. Once that work is done, those ramps will be rebuilt so they can tie into the new eastbound lanes on I-84.
There was also some major work happening at the 10th Avenue Interchange Bridge in April. Stiles, can you walk us through what happened at that location?
Crews successfully placed the 9 remaining 140-foot long concrete girders for the south side of the bridge.
Man, Stiles, tell you what, that's a huge milestone.
It was. After that, crews are focusing on building the rest of the bridge and preparing the bridge deck so concrete can be placed later.
There's a lot happening in a pretty tight area, so we want to thank everyone for giving crews room to work and for your patience. Before we wrap up, Memorial Day is coming up, which also marks the start of the 100 Deadliest Days on Idaho roads. Stiles, do you have a safety message for drivers as we head into the summer?
Yes, the 100 Deadliest Days are between Memorial Day and Labor Day, when more people are traveling and crashes tend to increase. During the 2025 100 Deadliest Days, 88 people were killed in crashes in Idaho roads. These are people, families, and communities impacted by crashes that are often preventable. As summer travel picks up, please watch for traffic shifts, slow down, and help make sure everyone gets home safely.
Thank you for sharing that, Stiles. That's it for this month's I-84 Corridor Monthly Update. As always, we will keep sending out construction updates before major traffic changes happen. Please use the contact information on your screen if you have any questions or concerns. We want to hear from you and help you stay informed throughout construction. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next month.